In this video, I will show you how to create share links to OneDrive files. So to get started, go ahead and open OneDrive on your device. So in here, make sure you're signed in into your OneDrive account. Now in here, go ahead and click on that My Files tab on the left side of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and select the file that you want to create a share link for. Now, on the middle of that file, you'll find this three button. So click on that. And then in here, go ahead and click on this Manage Access button. And this will pop on your screen. So in here, you can go ahead and click on this Start Sharing button to be able to create a link for this file. Now, in this section, you'll need to go ahead and click on that Anyone with a link can edit. And then set this into Anyone with a link can view. So simply click can view and then click on that apply button and simply copy the link for this file, and you can simply share the link of this file to whom you want to share the link of this file for. And that's basically how you can create share links to OneDrive files.